don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man.
Another here, and I am back with another freaking video. As you can see the smile on my face, your girl got a package. I got a package today, so I will be reviewing what I got from DHL now. So for all those who are curious and seeing what I got, as I'm sitting right here, I can't wait to open this stuff, guys. So for all those who are interested in seeing what I got, please just keep watching, okay? And please give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share the video, okay? I think there are some hairs here. I think so. Let's get into this package. Guys, I got so much hair here. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Oh my god. I even got some gifts. I got some gift here. A wig cap and some false eyelashes. Wow. Guys, see what I got. 360 lace closure wig. Brazilian hair. Freeze hair. It's freeze. It's not. Oh my goodness god, guys. Can you guys see what I'm saying right here? Oh my god, look at the colors. Oh my father. Oh, guys, this hair is so gorgeous. Wow, this is so gorgeous. So oh my goodness, this is 20 inch. Yeah, I think they are true to length. Let me keep it here. This hair gives me life now. That is so gorgeous. And I got another wig cap here. I got another wig cap. Yeah, still freeze hair. This is for a friend. Oh my goodness, guys, this hair. I mean, Gossip Girl, they got good hair. I mean, their hair are gorgeous and so affordable. Wow. You guys should chill up there. Chill up. They should chill up there, guys. Just chill. I'm coming. And guys, I got some. Yeah, I got some freeze hair in 18 inches and a closure in the 40. So this is a closure in 14 inches. So short, but it's okay. I'm gonna work with this because this is 18 inches, so it's gonna work with this. So guys, this is how the hair is gonna go. I got 18 inches, 16. I got 18, 16, 16, and the closure 14. So this is how I'm gonna be doing the wig. So this is how it's gonna, like I got 3 bundles of freeze hair, Brazilian freeze hair, and 1 closure. So this is how I'm gonna pair the hair. So guys, and now the rest of the hair oil is loose hair, guys. The rest of the hair all loose. So guys, I got 28 inches in 4 bundles. I got 20 long hair. I love when my hair is so long. I really do love it. Look how this hair is so long and it's so nice. Look at it. I mean, guys, I'm so loving this hair, you know. I'm just so loving this hair. The hair are so gorgeous. Oof. Oh my god. So just chill up there, okay? Chill up. Your time's coming. And I got these straight bundles of hair. I think this is in 16 inches. Wow, it's quite long. Oh my god, 16 inches is really long. Sorry for the noise with the plastic, I know, because I got one video here when I was doing a review of a hair. I mean, that video, there's a lot of noise in that video because of the plastic bag, so please bear with me, okay? I'm so sorry. Okay. I think these are the last hair that I got here today to show you guys. And this is for him. Okay, I got these 2 bundles in 16 inches and 2 bundles in 14 inches. I thought I ordered with closure. No, I think there was. Okay, I got it. And you know, I said I ordered with closure. You cannot order with like that. It's not like. So I got this closure. I got this closure in 12 inches. So this closure is gonna go with this 14. With this 14, I just put up a video. I think yesterday on a week I did with 14 and 12 inches of closure. So I think I'll be doing another week on that. And this will be gold. I have to tint the hair. I have to bleach the hair gold, I think. So just subscribe if you have not yet done so you don't miss any of this kind of videos. Okay guys, so this is 14 and this is a 16. The length are really quite long, you know. They're really long. I really love the length. The lengths are long. So guys, this is all about my review. You can check out all the hair. These are 16 and these are 14 with the closures. So this is the hair your girl got this time around. So I hope you guys love the video. I hope you guys love what I showed you. And please, if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe here. Please, when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my video. And please comment, like and share. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you all so very much. Peace out.